Xin chào, welcome back to Cooking with Jane. Today I'm showing you guys a dish that is really easy making but also really healthy and friendly to vegans and vegetarians. It is the summer rolls. Let's get started. First of all, I have these ingredients here. 4 pieces of tofu, a carrot, but later I will just use a half of it, a half of avocado, 1 cucumber, quarter of red cabbage, some lettuce, cilantro, and chili. I also have here the rice papers. So we start with frying the tofu. While waiting for frying the tofu, I start cutting off all of the ingredients. I start with the red cabbage. While turning the tofu into other sides as well. Then I'll continue with the cucumber. I don't use the middle part. I'll do in the same with the carrot. However, I just use a half of it like I said earlier. Always need to remember the tofu. And now I cut the avocado. Into slices. One piece is ready. So I basically prepared all of the ingredients while waiting for the tofu to cool off. I'll make the sauce, the dipping sauce. Since the dish is used to eat for vegans and vegetarians, so we don't use fish sauce. We're gonna use the soya sauce, and another thing is the peanut butter. If you like your sauce to be crunchy, use the crunchy peanut butter. Today I have the creamy one. So I add 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Then 2 tablespoons soya sauce. Then I mix them well before starting to heat them up. I'm gonna add here 1 spoon drinking water as well. heat them up in the medium heat. Really thick. You can add more water if you like the sauce to be less thick. Then some chili as much as you like. Now I start cutting the tofu into slices. Now I'm ready for rolling. So I start with the rice paper here. This one is a bit broken, so I get another one. Here I have drinking water. I use it to wet the rice paper. First, the lettuce. Make sure that you save some space from two sides to roll the roll later. Then you add things gradually. If you like some noodles, feel free to add more as well. Start rolling. Hold it as tight as possible. Then I fold from two sides. Then continue rolling. I add one more layer since this rice paper was a little bit too thin. Then you just need to roll the second time. So I got the first one. I'll leave it here. I'll continue rolling. And you just continue until you finish all of the ingredients. So I'm done rolling here. In the end, I have 7 rolls. Now I cut them into halves. These are what you got in the end. I call them colorful summer rolls. So it's done. I hope with my simple recipe today, it takes really little time to make, but it will bring you a very healthy, delicious, and refreshing dish for a summer day. So stay healthy and continue cooking more. Hope you enjoy my video again, and see you next time.